this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off who wants some. I'm fighting for my soul, God get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back, I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off who wants some. I see them long hard times to come.
What's up, everybody? Today I have questions and comments, maybe, I don't know. Alright, so I had a discussion with another motovlogger here a while back, and it's more like I was watching a discussion. I kind of chimed in a little bit on the Discord, and they were talking about, you know, we do this, we do that in our channels, and one of the main topics was cussing in your vlogs and cussing on your channel. I know there's a lot more people are trying to keep their channels pretty clean, trying not to cuss. Y'all know me, I fucking cuss like a motherfucker. That's just because that's me. I'm not going to change who I am for my videos. I'm going to be who I am, and I know I've already said all this bullshit before in past videos. But I am who I am. I'm going to be who I am. I'm not going to change that to make videos. I mean, even if it becomes, that's the only way I can become monetized is if I don't cuss at all. I'm still not going to do it. I'm still going to cuss because it's what I do. That's who I am. I'm not going to change myself for it. I know, and I notice a lot of people are doing it. They even though they're not monetized. Hell, there's big channels that fucking, they still cuss like crazy in their videos. And I know they're monetized, so I'm still not exactly sure how. I have a pretty good idea how it works when you're monetized and you're cussing, but I'm not sure. And some people like to keep it clean for their videos just because of their audience. I mean, you came here to watch me, so you're gonna watch me. But what do y'all prefer? Y'all prefer people keeping it clean and bleeping out their cuss words or cutting them out, or would y'all rather people just be who they are and cuss and whatever? Now my next question is, what do you guys like to see more? You like to see guys like where I'm riding right now. This is I'm almost out in the country. This is actually new development out here, but this used to be the country, and I'm getting closer to the country. Do you rather see people riding in backcountry roads where there's not that much traffic? Or do you rather see people riding in cities, slow, can't hardly go fast or anything like that kind of traffic? I mean, because I do both. I mean, I either hit the city roads because I'm like right on the fucking edge of city limits. So 3 miles down the road, I'm in the country, turn the other way, I'm right in the middle of a dead center city. And we got a fucking red light out here in the middle of goddamn nowhere. But I am actually pretty curious about that. What do you guys rather see?
6.5 hours later.
I guess I could always just turn right. Blew the clutch out of this thing the other day, last time I went racing. I tried to adjust it on it. I adjusted it enough to the clutch to cable to get it home. Went to ride it again. Nope. I don't know. We'll see how she works. It's pretty fucking toasted. I adjusted it one more time just to come out and make these videos. It feels pretty weird. It's kind of hard to get used to because it's not where I always wanted at. Anyways, now what else would y'all like to see in videos? I know y'all like to see the drag racing and the scraping, but not really riding anywhere where I could scrape today. Oh, I can up here around this corner. welding fucking institute. Welding school. Lame. So I don't know, like I said, just thoughts that have been running through my head. What the people that watch our videos want to see. What do you guys want to see from me? You know, what kind of topics do y'all want to hear? Y'all want to hear about, you know, you get a lot of times here lately, we are so flooded with motovloggers. A lot of people just doing the same fucking thing as everybody else, and I try to be different. You know, hell, for the longest time, I was just about the only guy that motovlogged on a fucking Harley. Now there's a shit ton. So I guess I'm coming to the population, to the fans, to the subscribers. What would you guys like to see in a video? Or in several videos? Or what would you like not to see anymore? So leave comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys say. Let me know what you guys want. As always, like the video, please. It helps us out a lot. Share it, you know, with your friends and families. And I got a pretty good feeling that camera mount right there is about to break off. That camera's shaking a lot. Uh-oh. If you're new to the channel, if you're just here stopping by to check shit out, watch a couple other videos. If you like them, hit that subscribe button. If you don't, that's okay too. Make sure you leave a comment, because I always respond to the comments. Sometimes it takes me a little bit. I've gotten better. I've said this several times already. But I've been getting a lot better about responding quicker. I'm not going to end this at a red light. I just can't do it. I can't bring myself to do it. Fucking car pulled up behind me quick. As always, dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.